behalf, that is Dr. K.S. Dattatreya sir, Principal JNV. So may I request him to please to his 2 words.
No, it's okay. Good evening, all of you. And nobody is attentive, I think so. Can you say good evening? Yes, the children of the Ideal Global School, I am hearing you. All the respected dignitaries who are sitting on the stage, and wonderful audience who are sitting before me. A very good audience. 2 years back, I visited this school, and it was quite small, and congestion was there. The founder is very eager to expand the school beyond his leaps and bounds. He showed me this place. Sir, one day this will be a part of Ideal Global School, and he did it. Today I am standing here, and that platform which he has shown 2 years back. Congratulations, sir, for your efforts. And we have an expert today from Pune who was highlighting about personality development. There is one small reservation regarding this, because if this personality development holds good, especially in metros like Hyderabad, Bangalore, Pune, Bombay, but is it required in Basav Kalyan, dear children? I am asking you, because still Basav Kalyan is not polluted that much. The pollution is not there. इतना प्रदूषण नहीं हुआ है बसव कल्याण में. आज भी मैं देख रहा हूं, the parents' respect is there. Even today I am seeing, because since 3.5 years I am seeing Basav Kalyan, lot of respect the children are giving to the parents. That one should appreciate. Second thing is that in this Ideal School, we have the children from 1st standard up to 12th class. It is very difficult to generalize, because the mentality of the children up to 13 years is something different. From 13 up to 18, slowly the tails will come out. Poonch aa jata hai. Bandar ka behavior you can see amongst the children up to 18 years. That is very crucial, as our expert was highlighting. You must be very careful, parents should be very careful. But they pass on the responsibility to the teachers. Dear teacher, we are giving our children in your hands. We don't know what you do, but you make them something. Then we take them, we give a personality. You had given a raw stone, and you asked us to give a shape to it. And ultimately, it takes different shapes. Some will become doctors, some will become engineers, some will become IAS officers, some will become teachers. These are all in the hands of the teachers. What is required then? The role of parents and teachers should go together. I don't want to take much time, because you are waiting for a long time, eagerly waiting for your children to perform cultural activities. What I want to say is there, don't keep away from the teachers, dear parents. When your child is studying in this school, keep in touch with your teacher. Then only you can mold a beautiful, you can give a beautiful personality to the child. Interact with the teachers. बच्चों, जो पेरेंट्स है, जो टीचर के साथ ही मिलजुल के ये पर्सनालिटी डेवलपमेंट का काम करना है। इट इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। आप छोड़ दिया तो बच्चों का पर्सनालिटी को पूरा शेप देने का टीचर का हाथ में नहीं होता है। 25% पेरेंट्स का रोल भी रहता है। हर बार आके बच्चों क्या कर रहा है, उनका परफॉर्मेंस क्या है, उनका बिहेवियर क्या है, टीचर के सामने बच्चों को बुला के पूछने से जरूर परिवर्तन आ जाता है। इफ यू आर नॉट डूइंग ऑल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज द टीचर्स ओनली, वी आर नथिंग टू डू विद दिस, देन 50% you lose. Child will become something, कुछ होता है मगर पूरा पर्सनालिटी नहीं आ जाता है। इसलिए जॉइन हैंड्स विद द टीचर्स, उनके साथ मिलके आपका बच्चों को पर्सनालिटी देना ये महत्वपूर्ण है। और जो टीचर और इंस्टीट्यूशन लागू करता है वो डिसिप्लिन क्या है उसको पालन करना है। मैं एक देख रहा हूं इधर नवोदय विद्यालय में, हर दिन मैं क्या देखता हूं, हर दिन पेरेंट्स आके एक कुछ फंक्शन है, घर में शादी है, घर में ये फंक्शन है, बच्चों को लेके जाना है। मगर सोचिए क्लास चलने के समय जो इंटरेक्शन होते हैं टीचर और बच्चों के बीच, उस समय कभी भी रुकावट नहीं होना चाहिए। डोंट इंटरफियर व्हेन student and teacher interaction is going on, don't disturb. जब आना है फ्री टाइम में आके वो एक्टिविटीज नहीं रहना, क्लासेस नहीं रहना, उस समय आके प्राचार्य से मुलाकात करना है, बच्चों को बुलाना है, क्या करना है बताना है। नहीं तो क्या होता है, ये ब्रेक हो जाता है, आपका लर्निंग ब्रेक हो जाता है, फिर वापस आना मुश्किल हो जाता है बच्चों को। यू कीप इट इन योर माइंड, आपका दिमाग में ये रखना है, सिर्फ टीचर अग्री, आई विल अग्री, टीचर इज द मेन रोल लाइक ए मदर, बट द रोल ऑफ पेरेंट इज इक्वली इंपॉर्टेंट। हाथ देना, इनके हाथ मिलजुल कर जाने से बच्चों का पूरा पर्सनल